So we're about to pull into a place called Huckstorf Diesel. It's in Franklin, Wisconsin. They've got a dyno there, but first let me just explain the situation. We just installed. We've got, anyone new to the video, we've got an S480 Borg-Warner compounding the stock Valley charger on this 2017 Powerstroke, and we just installed a Warren Diesel 55% over do-it-yourself plunger hat kit, and I don't think so. I'm running proven diesel tunes right now, and they don't have anything specific to the pump that we're running here. They don't have anything with the Warren pump, and so I've been running it, and it runs fine. You know, it runs perfectly great, but I don't think it's producing all the power that I know some other people have been able to tune these pumps to. For example, Dan over at SPE. I understand he's been able to get 750 horse out of this pump, and I just don't think there's any more than 600, maybe low 600s is what I think we're getting out of this tune right now. So we've come to the dyno here today to test that theory, see what we're actually making. Maybe I just can't feel the extra power in the seat, but like I said, everything's running fine. I just think it's the specific tuning. Dan, or the SPE guys, must just know something about the way to tune that pump in a way that no one else does, or at least proven doesn't know, or I don't know. So that's what we're gonna find out. So we're just about to pull in here, and you know what, also I have a clip of a guy running a pump. He's 708 wheel horsepower rider, and we'll insert that right now. Why not? So that's 708 wheel horsepower on I can't remember his charger. I thought it was like a 366 SXE or something like that, or that doesn't sound right. I thought he was fixed vein, but maybe whatever. But he's running this pump. He's the guy who's, you know, kind of pushed me over the edge. Just said, you know what, was like, fuck it, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna do it. So it was him that really pushed me to go and do this. So now we've done it, and he's getting 708, and I don't think we're even getting 708. And we've got a little more air than his setup does, quite a bit more air potential. So let's go see. We're gonna go see. Okay, we just got in the dyno cell, ready to go. We'll see you in a sec, I think. Holy shit. All right. So we have got some good news. Well, no, it's not even, it's just some news. We have some news, and then we have bad news. Okay. So the news that we have is that we made 614 horsepower. That's our graph. So that dyno was a load cell dyno. It's not like a traditional where you just have one. It loads as you. I don't know. Mark over there at Huckstorf explained it to me. I don't know a ton about dynos, so he explained it to me. But anyway, it'll still give you everything you're after. It just does it differently. So yeah, 614 and 1169. Nice. For torque. So that's at the wheels, not crank or anything. That's wheels. So not bad, I guess. That was on the third power setting. So anyone who's doesn't know, we're running shift on the fly. So we started at the first power setting, and it was doing a weird thing, like it would like defuel. It would like it would fuel and then defuel and fuel and defuel and fuel and defuel, and it would make this weird, like the graph would be super douchey, and like it would peak and then it would do that weird defueling thing and just like ride up the RPM. It was super weird. So then we tried like putting our seatbelts on and closing the hood and like a whole bunch of different random shit that we thought, like, why is it doing this? And then finally, somehow randomly, it gave us on the third tune, or the third power setting, it gave us 614 horse. Okay, good run. So then, all right, let's go to the fourth setting. Let's start, because we obviously want to get to the fifth setting to see what it actually makes. So, after the third setting, you can see number 3. So then we started to get these. Well, not the blue. The blue are the maxes. That's what we had, 614. But then we started to get these, which, as you may be able to read, that's about 380 horse. We bid about 9 of those. Tried all different things, 9 of them. They all ended up like that. Look, we got, oh shit, 7. It's just, we just selected a couple of them just to show on the graph. So, yeah. Fuck. I mean, so then I got the Easy Link out and I linked up to the phone because we needed to figure out what was going on. And yep, turns out we were, I'll put one of the graphs that I recorded on the Easy Link, the data log. I'll try and put that up here now so you can see, but at max throttle, it was defueling greatly. We lost 20,000 PSI at the rail. So I don't know what that means. Well, I know what it means, that there's something wrong with either the pump or PCV. Something's fucked. So, and those are the only 2 ideas that I have. And you can feel it. Then when I was driving home, you can sure as shit feel it. Before, it definitely was somewhere near 614. Because now, feeling it now at 382 or whatever it is, you can feel it for sure. So, I apologize for not getting more pulls or like more, but we were just having these problems, and it was like they were all ended up looking the same. Oven's preheated. Hold on. Oh, there. I think that. Nope. Holy shit. 8 of them. 8 dings. So, yeah, it just wasn't really that interesting. So I just got the one. They all sounded the same. They looked the same. So it was whatever. But now I really do need your guys' help at this point. yeah, I don't know what else to check besides. And honestly, at this point, if it's not, I might just buy a 10 millimeter pump and take my stock one out, because that's, I have a feeling it's the pump, but maybe it's not. I don't know. I'm looking for ideas at this point. So if you got any, please let me know what we may be dealing with. But yeah, I mean, that's the results. If I forgot anything about whatever, just let me know. But yeah, 614 we made randomly somehow before it broke, and then we were left with this nonsense. So, like I said, please let me know what you guys think, because I need ideas on what to chase down first. And I've just got back, so I haven't even looked in the engine bay to figure anything out. There's no codes. It just, rail pressures dropped right off. So, I don't know, whatever. Next time we'll see you guys is going to be fixing it, or diving into it probably. I don't know, probably just fixing it, trying to figure out what the problem is. But, yeah. Hope it was somewhat enjoyable. A misfortune. All right, see you guys.